Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to earn just by copy and paste. My name is Stickman. I've done YouTube automation for 4 years. I run multiple channels on automation. This is one of them. In the last month it got 250 million views and earned $7,000. This channel pays for to $500 daily, just from copy paste. Let me go into settings and show you these are US dollars. There you go, US dollars. Let me refresh it in front of you. On this channel I'm doing short automation, just copy and paste, and this is what I'm earning, look, for to $500 a day. This channel has 3.8 million subscribers. Now let me show you something. 100 million views in 28 days, $4,000 earned. I'll show you how you can do the same. So if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and like the video. Now let me show you the 90-day earnings. Let's see what this channel made me in 90 days. Check this out, 400 million views in 90 days, and $12,000 earned, right? So people think shorts don't pay. Friends, the shorts earnings are right here in front of you, okay? For to $500 a day, so in this video I'll tell you what this content is, how to write the script, how to edit it, and where you get the clips from A to Z, I'll cover it, and friends, this whole thing. I'll teach you on mobile too, how to write the script, how to edit, everything on mobile, and for the editing, whatever material I use, I'll provide it in the comment section. Check the pinned comment below. Let's start without wasting time. So friends, like I said, I'll teach you the whole thing on mobile. Now, this is the content. This content is called commentary shorts. I work on this same content. You take clips from TikTok and Instagram and do commentary over them. How to get clips, I'll explain it all, so watch to the end. First let me open a clip and show you what these look like.
This guy made the biggest mistake of his life when, after laying his wooden floor, he noticed he'd left a massive gap between two planks. First, he tried sticking double-sided tape on the floor and pressing a block against the plank to slide it forward, but the block kept slipping.
It's simple. You take clips from TikTok and Instagram, do your commentary over them, and use background music and sound effects. I'll show you all of it. It's copy-paste work. Right now it may look hard, but once you watch the full video it'll feel easy. Now look at the views on his latest videos, all in the hundreds of thousands. Now his popular ones. Check these views, 70 million, 60 million, 22 million. Now another channel, 1.5 million subs. And look at his latest video, it's gone to 10 million. Now his popular ones. Look, every video at 100 million. You can pull views like this too. There's nothing difficult about it. Nothing at all. Now look at one more channel here. His videos are in the millions too. Now the main question, where do you get the clips? People tell you, on TikTok, you have to find the clips yourself, give them 5 bars, and do your own commentary. Friends, that's all a lie. They're lying to you. I'm going to show you the simple copy-paste method, exactly the way I do it, this method. Nobody will tell you. Everyone says you have to scroll TikTok and Instagram yourself to find clips. That's not how it works. Friends, first watch this video. I'll show you exactly how to find it. You click on the 3 dots there and go into the description. Now see, he's taken this video from somewhere, and he's given the credit. Look below, he's taken this one too, and credited it, and written where he got it from. IG means Instagram. If it says TT, that means TikTok. So simply copy this handle, search it on Instagram, and take the video. That's it. This. Nobody will tell you this, I'm telling you. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe and like the video, alright? So once you copy this, another question comes up. He's already uploaded this video. If I upload it, could I get a strike? So let me clear that question too. Let me search this handle in front of you and see how many channels uploaded the same video. Now look, the first channel I showed you got 1 million views. Look, he uploaded it too and got 5 million views. So friends, you won't get a strike, you'll get views. You do your own commentary, not theirs. So all of this falls under fair use. You'll have no issue at all. Your channel will get monetized and you'll earn too. Now friends, the main thing, how do we write the script for it? The video part I've already told you. How you have to find it. It's copy-paste. Nobody will tell you this, I'm telling you. Now friends, for the script you also copy-paste. The same way, you copy its link and come over to Google, then you have to search YouTube video transcript generator. Look, this website will come up, open it, paste that link in here, and click get free transcript. Now friends, whatever script is in that video, it will pull it out for you. So look, it's pulled out the transcript of that video. Now simply click copy the transcript, and come over to ChatGPT. The main work here is ChatGPT's. Look, I've already got a prompt here. You'll get this prompt in the comment section. So here, underneath it, you paste that script and hit enter, and friends, this will give you Exactly the same result, the same length, and it'll be your own original script, even better, actually. So this prompt you'll get in the comment section. Now friends, come over to 11 Labs, focus here. I've used one voice, and the name of that voice is Alex. You should use this exact same voice, friends, and no other one. Now friends, check the settings, which speed setting I use, take a screenshot of it, then paste that script here and click on Generate Speech, and friends, your voice will be generated right there. Then you simply have to download it from here. So check this setting, the voice name is Alex, and see which speed setting I'm using, take a screenshot of it. Now friends, the main thing is editing. I'll show you the editing in CapCut as well. It's copy-paste, just like I showed you this. I'll show the editing too. I'll provide this CapCut file in the comment section. Now add the clip we took from Instagram. Look, it's the same clip, you take it the same way. Go into the description, copy the handle, and take it from the main account. Now friends, set its volume to 0, because we're putting our own AI voice on it. After setting it to 0, the voice you generated from AI, you have to add that. Let me add it. Then turn its volume all the way up to full. Now we split this part to decide what to zoom, and friends, another question will come up. How do we know what to zoom and what not to? Friends, you'll know from the script itself, and you can also figure it out by looking at your competitor. Whatever he did, you do the same. Look at your competitor, he would have done the same thing, then add a red circle. You'll get that in the comments too. All the material in this video, background music, sound effects, you'll get all of it in the comments. Now remove its background and adjust it onto his face. Look, friends, it'll drift around. If you play the video, so friends, you set it using keyframes. First you put a keyframe down here. Then keep adjusting it along with the face. It'll happen automatically. So do it like this, so it stays right on the face. So do it like this, friends, it's really easy with keyframes. Watch this video carefully and you'll understand every single thing. I'm explaining it to you like a child, A to Z. Whatever questions you have, I'm clearing those too. So look, you do it like this with keyframes. Once that's done, then you have to play it, meaning you have to check it. So look. Here you put a cut, meaning we only needed it up to here. That's it. So split here and delete this. Now friends, you put an animation on it. I'll tell you which animation to use. Here you use the fade out animation. Look, this one, and in this you set it to 0.2. After doing that, select it. Now friends, you have to add an arrow here. An arrow gets used at this point. I'll show you that too. Add it the same way, and the same animation on it. How do I know where to use arrows? From the script, and if you can't tell, watch your competitor's video, you'll see where he uses them. Use the same. Now friends, we're going to use this arrow here. You remove its background as well, and all of this, friends, you'll get in the comment section. I'll provide every single thing there. Now you adjust this one as well, using keyframes, right? So look, I'm doing it right here in front of you. So watch the video carefully and you'll get it. You keep doing it like this and it happens on its own. That way it comes out perfect. It stays in one place. If you do it the other way, it drifts around. With keyframes it looks perfect. So do it like this. That's exactly the method. Watch the video carefully and you'll understand. Now we split it right where we want it to end, and delete everything after that, and the very same animation goes on this one that you put on the first one. Click on animation and put the fade out animation here. Look, right here you set it to 0.2 and select it, and look, it's the same again. Now friends, we're going to add sound effects. Just like I told you in the first video, competitors use them too, so add them the same way. Now let me add the sound effect. Wherever the arrow starts, that's where you put it. You'll get these sound effects in the comment section. After adding the sound effect, you adjust it, line it up exactly with the arrow. Where the arrow starts, that's where the effect goes. That way the video looks even more engaging, so you check it, meaning wherever that arrow starts from. But you have to add a sound effect with this one too. Don't use the same one, use a different one. So all these sound effects, the background music, everything, I'll provide in the comment section. You adjust this one the same way too, meaning you put the sound effect at the start, so just like you did before. Same. Our editing is complete. Now friends, from here you check how much of this clip we actually need. Wherever you need it up to, you split there and delete the rest, and check your competitor too. is using it up to here as well, so you do the same, friends. So delete that. Now friends, we're going to use background music over this. I'll provide this in the comment section too. Set the background music volume to 25, you can go higher or lower yourself, but I'd recommend 25. Now there's one more thing you have to do, where this AI voice ends. Look, first you check the AI voice, where it's ending. Up to here. So friends, you put a cut here, you split it. And wherever this video ends, you delete the background music from that point. Now I'll tell you why we made that first cut. For that part, friends, you turn the voice up to full. And this voice here, we didn't make it full, because if we did, people wouldn't be able to hear the voice. That's why we set its volume to 25. Then friends, you add auto captions, these ones. After adding captions, click on them and move the captions up a bit. They sit a little low, so move them up. Now make the size a bit smaller, because these captions are too big. Then you do the encoding of your video. Click on style and set the size to full. Now look at the final video result.
At a bodybuilding competition, this athlete was permitted only one cheat meal, but instead of settling for a single donut, he came up with a clever idea. He picked up 7 donuts, smashed them all together into one giant cheat treat, and then demolished it like it was the final meal of his life.
So friends, you've seen the result. I edited this one in front of you as well. I explained it to you like a child. How you have to edit, everything I've told you in this video. I've covered every single thing, whatever questions you had. I knew what your questions would be, and I've cleared those too. And for clips I showed you the easiest method. People don't tell you this method, they lie and say you have to find the clips yourself. I've told you about the script, the prompt is in the comment section, use it. It'll give you exactly the same result. Look, the voice is perfectly adjusted, so if you like the video, like it and subscribe to the channel.